Ever had your check engine light pop on and wondered if it's a minor issue or a wallet-draining repair? Today, we're reviewing one of the most popular budget OBD2 scanners on the market, the ANCEL AD310 Classic Enhanced Universal OBD2 tool recommended by legendary mechanic Scotty Kilmer himself. This little gadget is often called the cell doctor because it quickly tells you exactly why that check engine light is on. You can read and clear trouble codes, view live data, check IDEM, monitor readiness, freeze frame data, and even pull vehicle information, all in seconds. It's compact and sturdy, weighing just 12 ounces with a thick, flexible 2.5-foot cable, perfect for the garage, road trips, or even tossing in your backpack. The buttons are clearly labeled, and the screen is big enough to read results without squinting. What I love most is how accurate and fast it is. You don't need batteries. You don't need a charger. It powers directly from your car. Plug it in, and within seconds you'll know whether it's a quick DIY fix or something that really needs a mechanic. And like a lot of cheap skin tools, the AD310 supports all OBD2 protocols -KWP200, J1850, ISO 9141, CN, and more. It works with 1996 and newer US cars, 2000 and newer EU cars, Asian models, SUVs, and light trucks. Basically, if your vehicle is OBD2 compliant, this little guy has you covered. For under $40, the ANCEL AD310 is a must-have for any car owner. It's compact, durable, easy to use, and can save you hundreds by helping you diagnose problems before heading to a shop. If you're serious about taking control of your car's health, this is one tool worth owning. Thanks for watching Auto Repair, your one-stop shop for everything automotive. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and check the link in the description if you want to grab one for yourself.